Welcome back to the Reativa's webinar series about Module 5 of the VET Reality Training Program for VET teachers and trainers. Today, I am here to present you the second webinar of Module 5. The title of this unit, Unit 5.1, is Basic Knowledge of Work-Based Learning at Local Level and EU Mobility Programs, with a special eye for SEN students and VR. First of all, teachers and trainers need to learn about work-based learning programs and how they function. Only when teachers and trainers have a clear idea of their main phases, requirements and implications, they will be able to promote work-based learning programs, either at the local or international level, among students with special educational needs, using virtual reality. In fact, the goals of this unit are, first, learn about work-based learning programs, second, think of how to use virtual reality to foster work-based learning programs among SEN students. Activity 1 is about the basics of work-based learning programs. It requires some preparation at home, to be more receptive during the slideshow presentation in class and the Q&A debate. Overall, the frontal lesson will take about 30 minutes. Annex 1 and the slideshow presentation are available for download. Then, it's time to pass to Activity 2. At the center of Activity 2 there are the questions. A series of questions that students can have fun replying to by drawing from their own experience, speaking with people they know, conducting some research and going through the slideshow presentation, either alone or in pairs. Thanks to Activity 1 and Activity 2, the participants acquired knowledge and developed opinions and ideas about work-based learning programs, their phases, requirements and implications. So, now, we are ready for Activity 3, the last activity of Unit 5.1, which is a station rotation thought shower. It requires 3 tables, the so-called stations, surrounded by as many chairs as the number of participants. On each table there are some markers, of 3 different colors, and a large cardboard. The participants are divided in 3 groups. Each group starts the activity discussing about the topic of one of the 3 stations. After 15 to 20 minutes, for 2 times, every group rotates to the next station and discuss the following topic. The topic of discussion of Station 1 is looking and applying for a work-based learning program, either at the local or EU level. The topic of discussion of Station 2 is training professional skills and competences before undertaking a work-based learning program, either at the local or EU level. The topic of discussion of Table 3 is training life skills and competences before undertaking a work-based learning program, either at the local or EU level. At every round, the group observes the mind map drawn on the cardboard by the previous group and uses the trigger questions to debate and add ideas to the mind map of the station. Keep in mind that every discussion must always somehow concern 1, the potential role of virtual reality, and 2, students with special educational needs. During the last 30 minutes, each group presents to the rest of the class the salient points emerged during the activity. Discussing together, they reach a conclusion about the key points of every station. At the end, the trainer can deliver the semi-structured questionnaire to the participants to solve doubts and gather feedbacks about Unit 5.1 of the VET Reality Training Program for VET teachers and trainers. Thank you.